Hello guys, welcome to the Delta mining platform. So this is another mining app just like Pi and Ruby. It's still extremely very new. It's not on Play Store yet. So the link to downloading and setting up this app will be in my description. But if you already want the already downloaded app, I'll be sharing the APK on my Telegram channel. So check my description for my Telegram channel in order for you to join. And this mining platform is powered by ICP. Internet computer. As you know, internet computer, it's internet computer protocol, that's what it's called. It's already listed on major exchanges like Binance and Bybit, and its last bull run it went as high as $2,000, but currently it's trading at $5. So do well to take part in this airdrop to maximize this project powered by internet computer protocol, because I think it's the first project powered by internet computer protocol. So over here we're starting with setting up the country. So set up the country you're from, and as for me it's Nigeria. So over to N, and I'll select Nigeria. Then put your mobile number. This mobile number must be on WhatsApp. So if it's not on WhatsApp, endeavor to create a WhatsApp line before you continue this airdrop, and ensure that the number is correct. So the next phase is to paste your referral ID. So my referral ID will be in the description, but in the referral ID for you to progress to the next phase. So I already have one, so I'm just pasting it here. Then set your nickname. Okay, so we've set our number and nickname and everything. That's a nickname. Go over to click on the SMS verification. Then get. So once you click on the SMS verification, it will bring you to this place. Then once you come here, you can see Nigeria over here, and you can see Global Universal. So now you have to verify your number for you to get access to the mining app. So if you're in Nigeria, you can make use of these numbers. You can select, this is the score of this score now determines how many persons that they've verified. So you can select the one to the highest percentage, and then you can select them, and then send a text message to them. But then if you're not in Nigeria, you can go over to Global Universal plus WhatsApp. Once you go over there, you can get to select a country. So, but most preferably is Britain, majorly. Then once you select Britain, go over to next step. So this is it. So once it gets to this place, copy this verification string. Copied. Now, if you're using the Nigerian number, if you're using a number, or you want to use SMS to send this message, it means that you have to, if you're using SMS, you have to have at least 4 naira if you're Nigerian. But if you're sending to a foreign number, you have to have more than 4 naira. But then if you're going to use WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp. If you're not in Nigeria, you can click on WhatsApp, and then to take it to your WhatsApp where you send them this verification string. I can't do that now because I already have an account, but you can take them to, once you click on WhatsApp, to take it to your WhatsApp where you get to send the verification string to them. Once you do that, you can come back, click on this, and proceed to the app. But if you're using SMS, you have to have, if you're sending to a foreign number, you have to have more than 4 naira. But if it's a Nigerian number, 4 naira is enough. So this is how I was able to do mine. Copy the string, then go over to that arrow, message arrow. It's going to take you to your SMS app. So I'm using Truecaller. So I'll just click on it, and then yes, I've sent the verification code. It's going to cost you a little amount of money. After that, click on I've sent verification and wait for it to verify. Yes, you can see verification successful, creating access token, signing successful. That's all you need to do to sign in. Then this is the app. It's going to come up with a pop-up. Tap on that arrow to mine. I think that's it for the mining. Once you click there, you're going to get to start mining. I'll get to mine 10.66 delta per day. For now, it's still 10.6 delta per day because people mining it are few. But with more persons, they're going to keep halving till it becomes a bit less. So click over to wallet. You're going to see this is the various tokens in the wallet, and that's your wallet address up there. Then come back. You see your over there at invites, the green arrow. You can get to copy your referral link and share. Then this is the number of ways where you get to see the number of persons you have in your referral team, person that referred you, and the number of persons you've referred. Over at minting, you can see total mining rates. We told us that if you click on menu to bring it to this place, we can get to set up your various information. You can get to see your profile, your face ID. Click on profile, This is it. So endeavor to put in your correct information so that you will not have issues doing your KYC or doing any form of verification. So let's go back. That's basically everything for the data mining airdrop. So just do well to use the referral link and the referral code in my description. I'll be sending the APK and the link to download this app in my Telegram channel. So do it to join my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can be getting more videos from me. See you next time.